5 hours later. Let's see. If me wet, then that means say it can work this way. If me don't wet, that means I not saw it for work. Somebody tell me in the comment section, say I not saw it for wear, it must wear directly on my belly. But because me not wash it, me not like put new things on my skin, because my skin so damn sensitive. Me like wash stuff first, you know. So that's why I said let me try it. So 5 hours later, if my clothes not wet, that means say I not really sure. Because people tell me, whoa, whoa, mercy. Watch you watch there. Whoa, Jesus, peace. Me wet, rotted. Me wet, mercy. Oh my God. Me not like show me belly. Whoa, my clothes wet. Jesus, peace. Oh my gosh. Watch that. Oh my, no, we should not could have see it. If you feel it, oh, you can look for me, and if you feel it, you feel the sweat. Oh shit. Oh wow, look. Watch there. If you can't see, watch the water. Rotted. You can't see the water? I don't know if you can see. You know see the sweat? Rotted. 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 Whoa. Lord of God. I never see nothing so. Cockroach. I never see this. You know see that? My clothes wet and cold for me. So that means I'm not have it. Rotted. Rotted. I never wear nothing like this in my life. Oh, you don't know how much restraint I have. Watch here. Look for water. But I tell you, my shirt's wet. It wet, it just not sure wet. Cockroach. Why? Cockroach. I be a beard now. Yes, dimes million. Rotted. Rotted. Dimes. Me boss me dimes. Why? Dimes boss me. Papa Jesus, I can't go so. I have to go drink water and make sure I hydrate myself because I sweat out my belly. Nah, Jesus. I wonder if this is the solution for it. That gut you need for go. Yes, you need for go. So I look a bottom can show up, you know, and it don't look so Chinese again. You know, the belly and hold it back. There, the belly. Now suck you out, look your hand there. If you not go down with that sweat belt here, I will suck you out. A joke.